It's Mamba cleaning day. This is one of our Jameson's mambas. And I just feel like I want to show you how pretty they are, but it's difficult to do because they don't really sit still. So this one is in the can. I think at least you get an idea of how pretty it is. I think my favorite part of the snake is this part right here. But honestly, the whole thing is really pretty. Here's his head. Hello, buddy. Since I started, I'm going to go all the way around. This one does have an imperfect tail tip, you can see. The snake came to us that way. Struggling to focus. There's a little scar. Also came to us with that. And I think I've gone all the way around. There you go.